Oh, hi friends. I am so excited to show you around one of our newest luxury listings. This is 1007 Warriors Trace Drive in North Madison County, North Richmond, and I got a treat for you. Today we are going to be getting a tour and getting the details about this incredible property with the designer, Letitia Maynard with Select Designs and Construction out of Lexington. Letitia has designed and done so many great, beautiful features throughout this property that I am so proud to show it off. And I can't wait for you all to learn some of the, some of the whys and some of the things that make this property unique because of her and because of her choices. So, Letitia, what is your favorite? What's the best part you think that we need to see first?
I think that one of the greatest things about this house is the floor plan and how open it is and how versatile the space is.
Yes.
And this front area that you walk in, and then the trim work. It just brings the house to life.
Yes, it does, especially when it's so vast and just sprawling that you've got so many different spaces, and it helps to kind of define them with the trim work and with the posts and different things. It defines it, but it's so open.
Yes, it is very open, and then plus it kind of anchored those rooms with some really nice light fixtures.
Yeah.
And they kind of brought all of that in
They're
as well. So I think that makes a big difference.
Absolutely, yes. Light fixtures, and anyone who's followed me for any amount of time knows that light fixtures are my favorite thing about the house.
It's your jewelry.
It is your jewelry. I was gonna say it's like shoes. Like it's just so important that you pick out something that is something different, something that's not that no one else is gonna have.
Exactly.
I just think that's important.
Yes, it is.
And now we're in the heart of the home, the kitchen, everyone's favorite space except me. I love the master bathroom personally, but this kitchen is to die for. It's bright, open, cheery. Tell us more about it.
It is a very bright and open kitchen, kind of connecting to the other rooms. We got professional appliances.
And the gas. I've heard anyone who likes to cook, this is your jam.
You'll never go back.
Yeah. I always say that about double ovens too. You can never go back.
Exactly. We've got quartz countertops, no maintenance, on those. We've got, large sinks.
Single sink.
Everybody's wanting those now.
Yeah.
And then we've highlighted all that with a marble backsplash.
Yeah, and the under cabinet lighting just sets that off. If you're going to take the time and the money to do that, why not put lights on it and make it really shine?
Exactly.
I agree.
Hey, now we're in the primary bath of this wonderful home, and one of the great features in here is the custom shower. Custom shower has a tile floor and a seat, nice rain head shower along with a handheld and niches. It is accented with a beautiful penny tile floor, and then we have porcelain marble tile around the shower, which is a gloss version, and then on the floor for a non-slip we have the same and a matte version. It just kind of brings it all seamlessly together.
Now let's explore this wide open basement. Kind of feels like a roller skating rink, right? Currently, but it could easily be finished. And a part of what you do as a designer for people is take this blank space and be able to lay out a floor plan, draw out like a really effective, efficient, with the spaces that they need.
Yes,
right?
based on what they need.
Yeah.
Someone maybe come in here, they would want a bedroom, or they would just want this as all one large open space with it has a bathroom already plumbed down here.
Yeah.
So we just have to add that in.
We could do a bath and add a bar.
And there's lots of options for down here. It's just a huge space.
Yeah.
In storage.
In storage.
We can't forget about storage.
Yes.
We all need storage.
Yes.
So
exactly. Well, that's my hope, that someone buys this home and wants to just give it their own, flair, finish the basement, or not, store everything they need down here. Heck, the garage upstairs too is almost 1,000 square feet. It's an oversized main level garage, but there's no problem with storage in this incredible home. And I'm so honored that you all have taken this video tour with us today, and to have the amazing Letitia Maynard give us some insight and some things about the home that make it unique and make it extra cool and trendy. Yes. And we know that not just the builder picked out all these finishes, a professional designer picked out all these finishes, and it turned out absolutely beautiful. And we are so honored to bring this place to the market.